Hello fam, nice to see you here online. In this moment of the episode, we have this problem: 22 to the power x minus 21 to the power x equals 43, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 43 into two numbers, such as 43 times 1. Next, we are going to break down 43 into the summation of 22 plus 21 and express 1 as 22 minus 21. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 22 to the power 2 minus 21 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and join the community.